Today we're taking a look at G-Speech, an AI tool that transforms all your website content into lifelike audio that's accessible to a wider audience. Got amazing content, but visitors aren't sticking around to read it? G-Speech brings your website to life by turning text into high-quality speech, making your site more engaging, accessible, and global. Once you install G-Speech on WordPress, you'll see it right in your admin dashboard. From there, you can use the full page player, a sleek audio bar that lets visitors listen to your content hands-free. You can set up a floating mini player that moves as visitors scroll so they never lose their place, and let visitors hear any text they highlight. Plus, everything's customizable. You can change colors, themes, and styles to fit your website's look. You'll also be able to track how many people play your audio and where they're tuning in from. But don't worry, it's not going to sound all robotic. Upgrade to Tier 3 and you'll get access to over 200 ultra-realistic AI voices in 76 languages, all of which you can adjust for speed and pitch. Tier 3 users can also translate content in over 70 languages in real time and play it as audio. Want another reason to upgrade? I've got 2 million of them. That's right, G-Speech is letting Tier 3 transform 2 million characters into lifelike speech every month. So what are you waiting for? Click buy now to lock in lifetime access to G-Speech today.